So today I'll be showing you how to install DeepSeek, the new AI from China, on any Android phone. So you can try it out, just check it out, try a few things and see what it can do. So this is very simple. Simply go to the Google Play Store and then go to the search function and then type DeepSeek. So DeepSeek like that. And from the results, find the correct application. And this is the correct one. This one right here. It's called DeepSeek AI Assistant by DeepSeek. It's only 6 MB and it has over 10 million downloads so far. So just go ahead and tap on the install button to get it installed on your Android phone. It should work on any Android phone. Now, once it's done, just tap on open. It's going to welcome you to DeepSeek. And of course, you have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now, before you can use DeepSeek, you need an account. So if you have one already, just go ahead and log in. If you don't have one, then go ahead and sign up. And you can only use a personal email to sign up. Now, I would recommend not using your Google account. Just go ahead and use an email address and sign up. Of course, you also get the option to use phone number, but email is more consistent, or it can be used anywhere in the world. So once you create an account and sign in, then you can start using DeepSeek. So this is what it looks like. This is what the interface looks like. It resembles ChatGPT and other AI models. And this is where you can put in your requests. So you ask questions, and it has both the DeepThink model and search. So search basically searches for stuff. DeepThink is for when you need reasoning and you need it to work out a few things like code. So that is basically how to install DeepSeek on any Android phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.